What's up, guys? We're doing another pull session. This time we are at the Porto Bento Castle. Excuse me. Okay. What's up, guys? We're at the Porto Bento Castle, and it's the new patch. So we're gonna pull Cantarella. This, you know. So right now we have that many pulls. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay, dungeon please. Oh, nice, Lumi. Like finally S6 yuan mo. Please give me fucking dungeon sequence, bro. Bro, Chixia. I already have Chixia, man. Okay. What? That was fucking early. Okay, that was like how many pulls? Okay, I can't remember. I am 10 PT. Okay? So wait lang. Let's remember. So 10 pulls. 10 pulls come from the Bronze Banner. I did not get him. So this time we're at a 10 PT right now. So the first one we get is Lumi, Yuan Wu, Chixia, now Yohu. We're at the fucking 50 PT again. Okay. Oh my god! 50 wins! Holy shit! What the fuck is going on? Holy shit, man! 50 wins! Oh my god, I will not get Zani at this point. Wait lang, I must screenshot this.